Well, hello, amazing people. Welcome to my channel. I'm so honored and blessed to have you here. So if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Hit like, leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. All right. Hey, ladies, let's talk about something fun and maybe a little thought-provoking, okay? This one for my girly girls who love body art. You know who you are. You love all things glam, pink, sparkly, and fabulous. But you also have a bold side, a little ink, or maybe some edgy tattoos that you absolutely love. Now, here's the question. Have you ever had someone say, "Oh, wow, I'm shocked you have a tattoo. I thought you were all girly girl"? How does it make you feel? Offensive, surprising, or just plain funny? Here's the thing. Being a girly girl doesn't mean that you can't have body art. It's called personal expression. Tattoos, piercing, or body art don't change your femininity or your style. They just add another layer to your personality. And honestly, people are complex. We're allowed to love pink dresses and also rock some ink, just a little ink, nothing wrong with it. So instead of just taking it as offensive, why not flip it around? When someone says they're shocked, just smile and say, "That's the beauty of being me, full of surprises." It's not about fitting in a box. It's all about authentically you. To my girly girls with body art, keep doing you. Whether you're rocking sparkless, tattoos, or both, you're showing the world that being feminine is all about owning your individuality. So let's celebrate being bold, beautiful, and unapologetically ourselves. Let me know your thoughts. How would you respond to a comment like that? If you don't mind dropping in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. All right, go out, be great, stay blessed, and like I always say, take care of you. All right, see you in my next video. Peace. Mwah.